Find or read reviews that people are talking about Flagship Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. 45,000 PA extreme suction and dual motors. The ultimate flagship pool cleaner. Powered by dual 240-watt high-efficiency brushless motors, the Neptunova Ultra delivers a mind-blowing 55,000 PA suction power. Combined with active PVC roller brushes, it rips up stuck-on algae and heavy debris effortlessly. Smart app control and custom scheduling. Connect via Bluetooth/Wi-Fi to customize your cleaning. Use the dedicated smart app to select modes, target specific dirty spots via remote steering, monitor battery life, and schedule weekly cleaning routines with ease. 240-minute ultra-long battery and eco mode. Equipped with a massive premium battery providing up to 240 minutes of runtime for pools up to 3,500 square feet. Features an innovative eco mode that allows the robot to automatically clean the pool for 45 minutes daily for up to 4 to 5 days on a single charge. Pro triple-axis gyro and sonar mapping. Equipped with a triple-axis gyroscope and upgraded LiDAR-grade sonar sensors, it calculates optimized 3D paths, flawlessly navigating complex pool steps, deep ends, and variable slopes without ever getting stuck. Intelligent waterline scrubbing and fast water release. Masterfully scales walls to deliver high-frequency scrubbing along the waterline where scum builds up. When retrieved, its smart anti-inversion valves ensure a lightning-fast water release, keeping all trapped dirt inside the basket. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.